Plans for 900 Singapore Muslims to perform the Hajj this year will be deferred to next year to safeguard their well-being during the pandemic. The Islamic Religious Council of Singapore, or MUIS, says preconditions for the pilgrims to perform the Hajj safely have not been met. Now, other factors include logistical and administrative challenges, as well as the absence of a medical team to support this year's delegation.
There are serious concerns over the medical safety, particularly risk of infection and spread of COVID-19 in a highly congested and high-density environment, where majority of our pilgrims are in the higher risk age group, above 50 years old, which do not only risk their safety in the Holy Land, as well as the Singapore society when they return after Hajj, but can also create a lot of complications, such as last-minute cancellations, imposition of quarantine, financial hardships, lack of medical services they may require abroad if they get infected.
Muslims are also advised to refrain from traditional visits and gatherings during Hari Raya, which falls on the 24th of May, while the circuit breaker is still in force. Now, this includes visits to loved ones in different households, especially those with elderly family members.
We are all part of this national exercise to prevent community spread. And during the circuit breaker, it applies to everybody. Indeed, because everybody has been compliant through this circuit breaker period, we are seeing results. And these results are things that we should treasure and not undo. We call on our community to tone down the celebration, to adjust and do according to the advice that the panel has provided.
And with mosques closed, MUIS has planned several ways for Muslims to fulfill their religious duties from homes during the Hari Raya period. These include the recitation of the takbir or prayer call on Hari Raya morning, which will be broadcast live on MediaCorp radio station Warna 94.2 FM and the Facebook pages of local mosques. The Mufti will also deliver a live Hari Raya sermon over radio, as well as various online channels. Separately, MUIS is working with the Multi-Ministry Task Force and the Manpower Ministry to provide special Hari Raya meals for 200,000 migrant workers.